Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the shallow single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Very similar to row 1, we're going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. We're going to be making single crochets or single crochet spike stitches into the stitch 2 rows down. So not into this row that we had just made, but right now we're going to be making them into this first row. So you're going to make a single crochet into that first row. So it's going to be this spot right here for each stitch. And that's how they are going to look. And you're going to keep making 1 single crochet spike into each stitch across, working into the row 2 rows down. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the shallow single crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.